So we're probably decades away from real natural language translation. That doesn't mean it's not a commodity, that you can't download it and fake it. I can walk around in China and I could talk into a device and Mandarin could come out because of this string matching thing. But that's not AI. All right, that's just that's a commodity, but it's still it's extremely limited. So why are we talking about so much? Because it looks like we're mimicking humans. And it looks like suddenly AI is really happening. It's not. Okay, we don't know what intelligence is, the abstraction ability of humans to think deeply, abstractly about long time spans and so on. We have anything like that in computers. Okay, that doesn't mean computers aren't doing more than they used to do and so on, and, et cetera. But it's still not a billion-dollar industry, this third generation, not even close. Okay, surveillance technology is emerging fine, but I don't see that as a billion-dollar technology. I'm sure it's good for humans necessarily. What I actually think is emerging is even more interesting is this fourth generation. It's the emergence of new markets. So don't think about the individual computers being smart and replacing a human. Think about a system like Uber, just to be very concrete and dumb it down. Uber in the city of San Francisco right now is a big decentralized and partly centralized system that is bringing cars to various places, pricing things so that when someone has a need here, there's a car ready to respond, and someone goes in that car and gets dropped off, and it was all priced. And the overall flow of the system is such that people move around the city much more rapidly than they used to. That's a system, and it's based on data, it's based on macroeconomic ideas, and it serves, tens of millions of people or whatever, some big numbers all around the world, right? That they designed that by hook or by crook, and they were kind of lucky and smart enough to kind of design something that kind of worked. But it doesn't work very well. They don't make any money. They lose lots of money, okay? But anyway, that's a concrete example of actually that's the overall system. That's the thing that should be intelligent. It's not the individual decision maker inside of a car, whether it's a computer or a human. It's the overall system that needs to be intelligent, okay? That's the level you need to think about. Now think about that not in the domain of transportation, but in the domain of commerce, of food, of entertainment, about medicine. Medicine is a planetary scale thing, right? If one person's treated over there and it works, that should immediately flow to everybody else's treatment the next day. It should all be kind of linked up.